Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to export ledger confirmation from Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime and go to Gateway of Tally, then open the Account Books menu and select Ledger. Choose the ledger you need, press Alt+E to export, and pick the file format and destination. Confirm export settings like date range and narration options, then export and verify the saved file in your chosen folder to complete the task. Start by opening the specific ledger in Tally Prime and set the precise date range you require. Use the keyboard shortcut Alt+E or the menu export option to open the export dialog, then choose formats such as Excel or XML and pick the destination folder. Adjust any field mappings and narration settings, confirm the export, and finally open the exported file to validate that amounts and entries match the ledger. If you found these steps helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and savings, and it pairs nicely with learning sensible record keeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab it if you want a straightforward money guide. Now let's get back to the video. If export fails, first confirm your Tally Prime user has the required permissions to export data. Next, verify the destination folder is writable and has sufficient space, and check for file locks from other applications. For formatting problems, revisit the export field mappings and date formats, then retry. If values differ, recheck the ledger filters and round-off settings to ensure the exported file mirrors the ledger exactly before sharing or filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.